JQ Troopers TT667. The RC toys are not unique or novel. After all, they were invented almost 100 years ago. However, some of them, like the one you see on the screen, are surprising because of the amount of detail and the quality of the smallest elements. This is an RC transformer robot produced by Yaki. The JQ Troopers TT667 model. It is part of a fairly extensive line of transformers. There are at least 6 different models. The car shown on the screen is an exact copy of the famous Lamborghini brand car. The mini copy is 27 centimeters long and is offered in red and green colors. It charges for about 60 minutes and runs for up to 20 minutes. You can buy this toy starting at $120. Ziro. This toy was shown several years ago during the annual CES show in Las Vegas. This fact already attracts attention and hints at an interesting technological component. In fact, according to the developers, Ziro is the world's first Lego-like robot that can be controlled with hand movements as it leaves the factory. The kit is simply a set of parts. The user assembles the robot on his or her own. Therefore, the design and appearance may vary depending on the user's skills and imagination. It should be noted that the robot can be modified with the help of objects found at home, for example, cardboard sheets, plastic bottles, or Lego blocks. The standard set includes 4 electrical modules, 2 pairs of wheels to create several robots, or a large and powerful robot car. The robot is equipped with a module that connects to the Wi-Fi network. The motors are configured in a mobile application. Note that instead of a standard remote control, you will use a special glove. It also connects to the Wi-Fi network. To move the robot, you need to move the palm of your hand. The operation is unusual but interesting and intuitive. For example, to make Ziro move to the right, you must tilt your hand to the right. The price is $250. Ozobot. When children learn the basic school subjects and grow up a bit, it's time to acquire new skills relevant in the modern world. Specialists of the company Chaika Ozobot created an interesting and unusual toy that introduces children to programming and creating code. They propose to use your imagination to create your own games and tasks that you will then have to solve. Ozobot, it is designed to distinguish colors and follow stripes that can be drawn or printed. The toy moves on any smooth surface. This means that you can draw moving lines and even on a tablet. The developers of the mini robot have taught it to glow with the color of the line on which it moves. But that's not all. Color combinations are transformed into commands to which the robot reacts. For example, if you draw 3 dots in a row blue, red and green, Ozobot, after passing through them, turns right. The child can download ready-made color combinations or create new ones. The mini robot has the ability to remember up to 500 commands associated with these combinations. Ozobot developers also offer to download a special application on the tablet and use it to set the commands. Thus, the mini robot will perform the specified actions in the given order on any surface without lines. The cost of the toy is $110. Sphero RVR. Here's another toy, also designed to help people learn to program. It was developed by specialists from the American company Sphero, the robot shown on the screen. It is not their first development. The device resembles a military that the main feature is that users can modify and program the RVR. The user is recommended to download the Sphero EDU app firstly. The app allows you to control the robot with the joystick. Secondly, it opens up possibilities for visual programming of the robot tank. Notably, the infrared ports under the headlights and taillights are positioned so that the robot can communicate with other Sphero devices. Other interesting features include a light sensor, a magnetometer, an accelerometer, and a gyroscope. All of these help the robot move in the direction the person has chosen. If desired, the owner can put a special plastic cover on the toy. It adds space for additional circuits and rotors. Thus, the possibilities of the mini tank are further expanded. The manufacturer offers a variety of external devices, speakers, and much more for Sphero RVR. The wide-tracked wheels provide the toy with optimal breathability. It can move even on the most uneven surfaces. The price is $250. Drift. Here's the world's first toy car that behaves like a real race car as you drive it. Developer Martin Muller managed to recreate the real physics of motion with great precision. Thanks to this, these toy cars will entertain both adults and children for a long time. Drift not only moves and turns, but unlike other similar toys, it can also drift. You can use the mobile app to control the device. Another advantage of the toy is that you don't need a track or other specially prepared surface to walk on. Drift allows you to run on the floor, on the table, and on any other horizontal surface. The car is small, it easily fits in your pocket. This means you can take it anywhere. The manufacturer claims that cars are just one of the elements of a complex system generated by the mobile application. The toy is equipped with intelligent sensors that, for example, can recognize a virtual track. Thus, the person chooses the starting place and the finish line. Even if these places are not physically marked, the system knows when the car crosses them. Thanks to this, virtual races can be organized, even with people on the other side of the world. The price is $220. Aibo. About 10 years ago, Sony's first robotic dog was discontinued. He had an unusual appearance that was not characterized by naturalness. In 2018, the company's specialists showed their new creation. The name of the new robot dog is. Although it does not look like a real dog, its appearance is very tender. Aibo has been created with new advanced motion technology and improved artificial intelligence. The dog uses cloud computing to develop and form a unique personality. It can learn different tricks. However, to do so you will have to download them. The robot dog understands when it is praised and when it is scolded. Thanks to this, it forms behavioral habits. The toy is able to recognize people, reacts to commands, movements, environment. 2 built-in cameras on the back and front, as well as 4 microphones help it to do so. Perhaps the only drawback of this cute creature is its high price, $2,900.